Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the keyboard size on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that you need to do is make the keyboard visible. So for instance, you can go to the messages. If you tap over here, you should see the keyboard visible. Now, the next thing that you need to do is tap this icon over here, this blue icon on the left side. Then go to resize. And now over here, you can drag from the top and make it bigger like so, or make it smaller. You can also press this left icon over here in order to return to the initial size. You can also drag it, so if you press this middle icon, then you can reposition it and place it a little bit higher. And once you are done with the changes, you can just tap the check, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.